Mark Magsayo, the new Super Lightweight Champion of the World. Parang walang dating, ano? Makakabuti ba? Makakasama ni Mark Magsayo ang pagpasok sa Super Boxing.
Ito na ang ultimate knockout machine na nagmula sa bansang Pilipinas. Huwag kang kukurap dahil sa isang iglap sa ulap ka nagigising. Baka sabihin nyo, tinotolongges ko kayo. Ayan o, bang! Nagluksa ang buong Mexico sa ginawa ng ating kababayan. Mukhang may bago na naman tayong world champion na sa lightweight division sa pamamagitan ng Zuffa Boxing Promotion. Ang tanong, legit ba na built yan? O baka palamuti lang dahil hindi kinikilala sa mundo ng boxing? Mga kababayan, na mismo bang makakita ng one-hit tulog yung tipong comatose o next week na ang gising? Pwes, muli na nating matutunghayan ang pambato ng kabisayaan. Kapag umentra to Brad, mala superstar ang dating dahil lahat tumututok para makasaksi ng crispy pata na knockout dahil sa sobrang lutong. Magbabalik ngayong April 6, 2026, araw ng Lunes dito sa Pilipinas. Gaganapin mismo ang laban sa Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Makakalaban niya Brad ang isang makisig at matapang na pambato ng Ireland, kababayan ni Conor McGregor, Fergal the Fearless McCrory. May impresibong record na 17 wins, only 1 loss with 9 impressive knockouts. Si Magsayo naman ay may record na 28 wins, only 2 losses with 18 magnificent knockout. Edad 30, may tangkad na 5'7", isang orthodox. Edad 33, 5'7" din at isang southpaw. Kilala si Magsayo sa kanyang out of this world na knockout power. Isang maling galaw ng kalaban, kanyang nakakapitalize. May mga galawan din siya na siya lang mismo ang gumagawa. Talented no? Matapang, volume puncher, palaban at sobrang haba ng kamay na 72 inches samantalang kay Magsayo ay 67 inches lang. Kaso, sobrang bukas niya kapag umaatake Brad. At alam naman natin ang isa sa deadly weapon ni Magnifico ay ang kanyang counter punches. Di mabilang sa kamay kung ilang boksingero na ang kanyang pinarusahan sa counter pa lang. Di bali papanoorin natin yan ang kanyang top 5 knockouts para makita nyo mismo, okay? Isang Irish boxing champion pala tong makakalaban at isang prominenteng Olympian. Ang nag-iisang talo niya ay kontra kay Lamont Roach Jr., yung boxer na nagpahirap dati kay Tank Davis na sinasabing luto. Magnifico kontra Fearless. Sino ang mananaig? Ultimate knockout machine ng Pilipinas kontra sa ring tactician ng Ireland? Sino kaya ang unang paplakda o babagsak ang mukha sa sahig? Eto, panoorin at ikumpara ang latest fights and knockouts ng dalawa. Comment nyo kung taga saan kayo. Pipili ako ng isa-shoutout ko. Palike na rin ang ating video. Let's go! Okay, first fight tayo mga kababayan. Mark Magsayo versus Isa ng Pepeche. Latest fight knockout, Philippines versus Tanzania. Baka kasi di nyo pa napapanood to kaya balikan natin Brad. Okay, Magsayo fighting in black and red trunks. Talagang yung build ng Magsayo dito talagang nakakatakot. Pang knockout punching talaga.
WBO International Featherweight Champion, makapigil hiningang panalo kontra kay Chris the Hitman Avalos.
Good job by Magsayo. Si Inang Pepeche Brad, magaling to sa Tanzania. Ito yung pambato nila na dinayo sa Pilipinas. Tignan natin.
Back. Stop. Hey, bring up right, That was a big learning experience para kay Magsayo. That was part of bakbakang Donaire Bedak. Magsayo went.
Magsayo is okay, bilis lang no. Top 4 latest knockout tayo ni Magsayo Brad kontra Daniel El General Diaz. Philippines versus Nicaragua.
Okay, back from 2013 to 2000.
Okay, counter by Magsayo kagad.
Because that is. But once he warms up,
Di bali mga kababayan, may laban din si yung mga kalaban niya na si Fearless McCrory. Di ba? Kasi papanoorin natin yung top 5 latest knockout ni Magsayo and book.
Woo!
Okay, dumako na naman tayo sa top 3 latest knockout ni Magsayo, Brad. Philippines versus Indonesia. Ginanap to sa Singapore, okay? Mark Magsayo versus Eric the Destroyer. First round tayo.
Bamboo time, so it should be a stern test. But look at this from the Philippines gym. Oh, nice right as well, Max Punch. Can really change the course of the
Loh,
fight.
grabe yung mga galawan, no?
That was
Good combination by Magsayo, di maka-counter si Destroyer.
into the way in this first round, but
Yung Destroyer pa yung madidestroy yata dito, ah.
from 19 wins, hopefully. Magsayo again with the left and again.
Grabe yung left hook, Brad.
Comes back with a left jab of his own.
Pag pumirma ka kalaban mo si Magsayo, dapat may kalakip nun, insurance.
And another right as well.
Tsaka death insurance din para sa pamilya mo.
Eric Destroyer got enough defense
Diba?
on it, but
Kasi syempre, di ba, lalo na pag boksingero ka, hanap buhay mo yan eh. May pamilya kang maiiwan. Eh kalaban mo si Magsayo, talaga mabubugbog ka. Delikado yung lagay ng kalusugan mo.
there's the left again. Just missed with Harris. Good head work from Eric Destroyer.
Good overhand by Destroyer, pero wala.
Left seat swag, and there's that.
Kinakain lang ni Magsayo. Matibay din to eh.
The left hand cross target. Final 10 seconds in the second round, and just like it did in the first, he did in the first.
Okay, good body shot.
Early stoppage, but he's
Diba, third round tayo ha. Mabilis lang to.
so clearly capable of doing some real damage. And Eric the Destroyer, and he's
I-shoutout sa mga kababayan natin dyan ha. And comment kayo dyan sa ibaba. I-shoutout ko, pipili tayo. Comment nyo kung taga-saan kayo, re-replyan ko. And also, pakilike ng ating video. Subscribe kayo dito sa BFTV Sports. Yung mga bagong laban na paparating, Taduran, Magsayo, Casimero, Jimuel Pacquiao, Yover, o kung sino-sino pa. Try nating i-upload yung highlights kung pupwede. Magpapaalam tayo sa may-ari, okay? Kaya, kayo, subscribe kayo sa BFTV Sports para updated kayo.
Oh, big to the body again. He's got 20 seconds left to last out. Destroyer, final 10 seconds.
Grabe yung mga counter ni Magsayo, Brad.
At the moment, Mark Magsayo.
Naku, na-corner ka. Yung ginagawa mo dyan. Yung tanging magagawa niya, didepensa na lang. Tapos iindahin niya yung body shot ni Magsayo.
Oh, nice big.
Isa sa weapon talaga ni Magsayo, body shot. And alam nyo ba yung makakalaban ni Magsayo? Naku, medyo mahina sa body shot yun, Brad. Grabe, tiklop.
This is gonna be KO number
Activated yung insurance, Brad.
for Mark Magsayo. 19-0. And the
Uy, backflip. Okay, top 2 latest knockout tayo. Magsayo versus Isaac Avilar. Super featherweight division, ginanap sa California, USA.
Gonna do so. If he looked
Ito naman, matibay na Mexican to. Slugger din. And matapang.
Magsayo immediately.
Grabe sa bayan, first round pa lang oh.
Trouble Magsayo he is. Avilar's like
Medyo tensyonado yung Avilar ha. Good counter by Magsayo.
gets in here to get paid by the round. On his last fight,
Uy, good counter left. Nakko.
he wants to fight for a title. He did not just want to sit around.
Tapang ni Avilar pero umatake yung Meksikano na yan. Nakababa yung kamay niya.
That's it. Rumored to be in March. That'd be a year you want to be active.
Good consecutive left hook by Magsayo. Body shot.
Tougher than expected fight. Canelito. His career in
So far, hindi pa makatama ng malinis si Avilar. And Magsayo is doing the work,
different fighter.
entertaining the fans.
Lost
Second round tayo mga kababayan.
like in 2019, a 6-round game.
Chill-chill lang kayo dyan, di ba? May kasunod pa to na laban. Matindi.
Don't push it.
Kuha kayo ng makakain. Relax kayo. Upo-upo, di ba? Sabado ngayon eh.
You know, this was, well, we know this guy's tough. This is why we took this guy, because he's going to give us in the gym at Wild Card. We want spar.
Kudos to Avilar, talaga matapang siya eh. Sinasabayan niya sa gitna yung isang counter puncher na Pinoy.
And its reward.
Yung iba natatakot eh, iniiwasan nila eh. Tinatakbuhan, niyayakap.
Okay. Marvin
Ito sumasabay eh, matapang eh.
IO inside. .com, also on Fight Stars. Oh.
Uy, good counter by Magsayo.
On top. So, Shot Gibbons.
Yung Avilar kulang sa head movement.
Eye.
Nakabukas yung panga.
See his toughness here. He's
Good uppercut. Alog eh. Grabe, kamay lang yung tinamaan. Kumbaga, tumalsik halos. Nakko.
seeing the ring, the levels between a championship fighter and a good, solid fighter. Isaac Avilar weighing in.
Third round tayo. Good body shot uppercut by Magsayo.
Third round.
Naku, Brad, tinamaan sa panga with a consecutive combination by Magsayo. Bagsak.
There. And Sayo knocks down Avelar, who's just trying to get a knockout here in the third.
Okay, good counter by Avilar.
They're throwing punches.
Pero outpowered, outmaneuvered, outmatched, outstyle. Wala talaga, Brad.
Not eat punches like he is.
Kulang pa sa ensayo to.
Magsayo. This thing,
Marami pang fried rice na kakainin to.
Magsayo.
Uy, ayun lang.
KO!
Nakakatakot.
Has knocked down Carmelito.
Ultimo yung mga nanonood, din natakot sila eh. Grabe, delikado. Yun, naghanap ng una, no? Yan, oh. Di ba? Tumawa lang eh. Grabe, bastos eh, no?
Avelar just one big tremendous shot. Magsayo.
You know? Pew! Grabe.
Direction.
Parang jet fighter na tinamaan ng missile eh. Di ba? Biglang ano eh. Bumulusok na lang eh. Umuusok pa.
Shots enough.
Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, Brad. Latest fight ni Virgil McCrory kontra sa isang world champion na si Lamont Roach Jr. Sorry.
He's coming right at you.
Ireland versus USA. Latest fight sa super featherweight division, okay?
You know, because
Basahin nyo nga sa taas ang tanong. Magsayo versus McCrory. Sino ang matutulog at ilang rounds? Comment dyan sa ibaba. Shout out ko kayo. Babasahin natin isa-isa yan. Comment nyo rin kung taga saan kayo. Matik yan. Salamat po.
nice left hook. Oh! He gets so offensive-minded, they don't go back home. He leaves a lot of open.
The excitement, Lamont Roach Jr.
Pansin niyo yung style ni McCrory, Brad. Talagang matapang na agresibo.
has done the hitting.
Pag alam niyang kaya niyang ibuli yung kalaban, umaabante yan.
His hands are
Tsaka may pagka ano din, may pagka dirty fighter din.
kind of timing and rhythm
Di ba? Low blow yun eh.
to not allow guys.
Tapos tinutulak niya, di ba? Oo.
The Irishman before.
Ang magiging bentahe ni Magsayo dito, pag gaganyanin siya nitong si Virgal, yung mga counter punches niya, tsaka yung body shot niya,
Hook to the body, hook to the head. Shot!
ayun, yumakap, nasaktan sa body shot, Brad.
Which is what McCurry's supposed to do.
Full good left hook by Roach. Third round tayo. Naku, umikot.
Right on the money.
You know, bang!
Range, got his distance. Wasn't the
Knockdown.
his technique is tight. Defense is in position. There's not a lot of right
Siya yung bumagsak, nasaktan. Siya pa yung umaabante. Tapang talaga nito.
for him to look good.
Naku, tinamangan ng 1-2 sa panga.
Virgil McCory is
Partida itong si Roach, kulang to sa knockout power. Pero yung Magsayo, Brad, pag tinamahan to sa panga si Fearless,
As he throws, man,
naku, baka maging ano to.
he hasn't needed to
Baka maging alikabok na lang. Di ba?
being in the rhythm there. I look at
Joke lang.
on his phone booth. But Showtime. We're not seeing Jeff.
And then, you need to take note as well na itong si Lamont Roach. Magaling din to. Talagang world-class fighter.
Get his hands going. The question I got is he knows exactly the center. He's making everything right.
Uy, grabe. Hinukay yung bodega, Brad. Tinaniman ng kamoting kahoy. Ay, no, pakalawang beses na yan.
The second time. Oh,
he does.
Save by the bell. Fifth round tayo.
Left hook, a little bit off balance. So impressive on offense and defense at the same time.
Nakko.
As Pulse, we had him on our ball. Not yet. We're still here, Pulse.
Yung puti niyang mukha. Nakko, pag kay Magsayo yan, Brad. Pipinturahan ng pula yan.
Well, Lamont Roach get back to it. Highlight reel.
Tapang talaga.
Do well. He slipped. A little bit of jawing back and forth. A lot of
Pero we need to understand as well na yung weakness ni Magsayo is yung mga boxer din na ganito, yung mga dumidikit, binubuli siya. Kasi pag si Magsayo hindi makasuntok,
stomach.
talagang nawawala yung pagiging effective niya sa ring. Kasi malakas si Magsayo pag mid-range, pag nakakapagkombinasyon siya. Yun yung laro ni Magsayo, yun yung mundo niya. Tignan mo ginawa ni Julio Ceja, 'di ba? Nahirapan si Magsayo doon. Tignan mo ginawa ni sino ba yung isang Mexican? Si Brandon Figueroa.
And as tough as this fight,
Hirap na hirap si Magsayo pag dinidikitan.
he knows he's in for a tough fight.
Kaya magandang match up to kay Mark.
Unloading on the chin.
Pero sa ngayon, sa nakikita natin talaga nabubugbog si McCrory kay Roach.
The way that Roach has in that sequence there, you
Replay natin, no? Grabe.
finally got a little space.
Okay, good uppercut.
Big round. Both of these guys.
Nakko.
You know, the pressure punches right down the middle. Down the middle.
Parang magnet yung suntok ni Roach sa mukha nito ni McCrory.
All the damage he has taken. Now from Roach, it get back to the outside. I don't know if he had it.
And offensively, Lamont Roach Jr.
You know, the other thing too, when
Punches, combinations that way. You know, he can get shots over from everyone who sees it. A full liver shot and the uppercut. Yeah, see, that was the adjustment that Roach
Kaya pa ba na? Ang dangon lang na, grabe, gikulata pag-ayo. Di pa naawa yung team niya, no? You know, natigil na yan eh.
and also you can never catch your breath when you get
Hindi na maka-counter eh, tsaka walang kalatoy-latoy yung mga suntok niya eh.
you don't see guys standing up
You know?
at this point.
Bang! Grabe.
Right there,
Body shot.
hook to the body.
Uppercut. Nakpo, grabe, no?
regardless if he gets a knockout or not.
Being 8 rounds in now, before kind of fell in love with his power at this point.
Oh, good one too.
Number 8. Body shot.
Yung referee, nag-aalinlangan na eh.
And from Rory Tate.
Tigil mo na yan, rep.
Ref is looking for
Wala nang ano eh, wala nang kalaban-laban yan. Tinigil ata, yun know?
cornerman right.
Tinigil lang nga.
A statement from the
8 round TKO by Lamont Roach Jr.
He is the former
Okay, dumako naman tayo sa top 1 latest knockout ni Magsayo. Last video natin sa content na to, okay? Super Featherweight Division, California, USA ginanap. Tignan natin kung paano niya bastusin at talagang ibadibag tong si Brian Mercado, Brad. Okay?
And, you know, he's matched up with 18 professional fights.
Yeah, and we saw that right at the beginning, right there. Mercado hit him with that left
Night, but I want to give everybody skills to the world once again.
from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in
Has to let it go. Let your hands go.
Body shot ba yung Magsayo?
He's still looking at the
Nangalay bigla yung kamay ng kalaban eh. Tumalab yun eh.
He's ready. I mean, let's remember the weight limit. Boatin, obviously, a great part. He said, "Oh, I can't fight this guy 15 pounds."
That's part of their game plan. And even the advice
Pag tinamaan ka talaga ng solid sa pangan nito ni Magsayo, Brad, itong si Mercado, sa palengke na to pupulutin, di ba? Karne-karne.
Speed, power, he's got it.
Binanatan ha, matakbo yung Mercado, Brad.
right now, he's just, you know, he's just waiting. He's anticipating. He knows what's in front.
Kalmado lang si Magsayo dito.
The skill level that's just
Uy, grabe.
walks him down. Beautiful shot.
Naku, nasuka yata.
That's experience right there.
Ayaw na oh. Ano ba tong pinasok? Napaisip siya, ano ba tong pinasok ko? Ba't ba ako pumirma dito?
Pepper. Here he is.
Di ba?
Magsayo's a great finisher.
Okay, save by the bell.
Those are the only two.
Second round tayo, Brad.
Oh.
Nakko. Aba. Pinormahan eh. Ibang level talaga si Magsayo, pang world champion talaga na ano, contender.
I'm surprised Mercado got up. I thought he was.
Nakko, nag-aalinlangan na eh. Wala na, tumiklop na eh.
Nice, the corner doesn't stop it. Great stoppage.
Tinapos na ng kalbo ng referee.
Oh, and a flip to entertain everybody.